When your router fails to upload firmware in a normal way, Firmware Restoration can help you to upload the firmware in rescue mode. What situations require firmware restoration? When the router fails to update the firmware in a regular way. The power light of your router flashes abnormally. Irregular operation of your router caused by the third-party firmware. Step 1. Download and install. Go to ASUS Support Download Center. Search for the router name. Click Driver and Utility. Download the latest version of firmware. Next, go to Driver and Tools. Choose OS version. Click Show All. Download Firmware Restoration. Then unzip to file. Double-click the rescue file to install the firmware restoration. Choose the language. And then follow the Install Shield wizard to complete the installation process. Now the installation is complete. Step 2. Change network card settings. First, use RJ45 cable to connect router with laptop. Second, go to Network and Internet Settings. Right-click on the Ethernet, and choose Properties. Click TCP IPv4 to Properties. Enter IP address 192.168.1.10. Enter subnet mask. Then click OK. Click Close and finish the setting. Step 3. Set up the router rescue mode. Keep long pressing the reset button. And plug power cord to DC in. Please do not release reset button until it is complete. When you see the power LED light is slowly flashing, and leave the button. The router enters to rescue mode. Step 4. Rescue the router firmware. Open Firmware Restoration. Click Browse and choose the firmware file. Click Upload to start the process. And it will take few minutes to complete. The rescue is complete. Please restore TCP IPv4 to the original settings. You can enter the router setting page to confirm the firmware.